offering, and I wanted to give you some information on the PlaySafe mouth guards. These are much different than the typical boil and bite mouth guards that you've probably been using for several years, and just wanted to explain the difference between the two. There is a video link I'm going to provide to you to the lab that will make these for us, and I'll have that in an email. Anyway, a PlaySafe mouth guard is made off of an impression of the player's mouth. This is much like what's done when braces are made. An impression's made first. A plaster cast is made from that impression, and then a precision fitting mouth guard is made. Now, the advantage to a mouth guard like this, first of all, is it's much stronger. Secondly, it fits well so the patient or the player can breathe better. They can speak. They can be understood by their players. But the main thing is it protects not only the teeth, but the bone that hold the teeth in as well. There's several layers of plastic to these. It's not just a simple plastic layer. There's a polyethylene layer. There's another soft piece of plastic. And if you want one that's even stronger in case they play hockey, there's even a third layer that can be put on there. Colors can be selected. I think for Plano West, we've been going with blue, black, blue and black, or clear. They're going to put the logo and the player's name on there as well. So I will show you a little bit more close up as to what these are, and you can get information from the Wolfpack or from the team regarding how we're going to do this. And thank you for your time. We also offer Invisalign and Invisalign Teen. This is the newest way of straightening teeth, so if you have a student who wants to do braces but they don't want the brackets and wires, this works out really well, because the way of straightening the teeth is to use plastic aligners like this, and they just snap on, and every 2 weeks the student or the patient switches out to a new aligner. And the nice thing is that if your food's stuck in there, it's not as uncomfortable as brackets and wires. You don't have problems with brackets and wires breaking, because these really don't break. And within a few short months, the teeth are straight again.
So how are you today?
It was getting to the point where I was not enjoying looking in the mirror because I was just focusing on that gap. I feel so much better having my teeth fixed. I would do it again in a heartbeat.
The smile's the first thing people notice when they meet someone, and it says so much about the person that you're talking to. And I've had so many patients over the years who would put their hand up to their mouth, they would cover because they didn't like the way their teeth looked.
Improving your smile can do wonders for your self-esteem. Dr. Jopling with the Cosmetic Dentistry of North Texas has been practicing dentistry for nearly 2 decades. He's very experienced in all phases of cosmetic dentistry and can provide veneers, smile makeovers, and also recommends Invisalign. He says Invisalign is the most conservative way to take your smile from good to great.
They're actually aligners that are clear, comfortable, they're virtually invisible, and patients are, extremely pleased with the way that they can move their teeth using this.
I did try to keep it a secret because I wanted to see if anyone would actually tell, and I have not had anyone notice.
People really don't know that they're in. Like, I'm surprised. I thought that you could, because I can, but people don't.
It was easy. It was pain-free, and it's very discreet. Nobody could tell that I was wearing Invisalign.
To deal with. And a lot of adults have had braces when they were younger. They might have lost their retainer, quit wearing their retainer, they had relapse. Those are perfect candidates for Invisalign.
I don't want braces with the heavy metal on my mouth. Just because I'm older, I just don't want to go through that working in an office environment.
At my age, in the mid-40s, putting braces on,
And if it wasn't for Invisalign, I probably wouldn't have not gone with like a brace type treatment.
Invisalign not only delivers beautiful smiles, it also promotes good oral hygiene.
It is very important to have straight teeth, and whenever the teeth are crowded, it makes it almost impossible to get in certain areas, especially at the gum line, to clean. And so if you're able to straighten them, you're able to get the floss in there, clean and brush, and hopefully avoid periodontal disease and cavities later on.
Invisalign was the right choice for me.